Right, here we go. It's the showdown between 6 cars. First up, sorry about my voice. I'm out of breath because I have a really bad virus and I'm trying to do this video. Not sure how good it's going to work, but anyway, replay camera for the finish line. And we've got the toilet versus the red fire truck. 3, 2, 1. Close, very close. Then we got the hospital bed versus the hot dog. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, I think that was definitely the hospital bed. So we'll put him over there. And then we've got pizza slice versus the biplane. 3, 2, 1. Another close one. Right, well, I've watched the replay and we had a dead heat with these two, which is really interesting. So we're going to do a face-off. So we'll do these two. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, and they're both off the edge. Oops. I'll watch the replay. And then toilet versus the biplane. 3, 2, 1, go. That was definitely the biplane. All right, so we had just by a bed head. The bed won that one. So these are our 2 finalists. So here we go. Who's the champ? 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, okay. Well, so we have a winner. It was the biplane, followed by the bed. Third place, don't know. I need to go back and have a look, but I will have a look at the replays and see who was third. But I think the winner is important, and it was this one. If you bought this set and you've got these cars, let me know who won yours. Let's see if there's any difference. Okay, thanks for watching this stupid video. Smash the like button, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you soon.